man, what's going on with Chili fam? It's your guy, Sxundo. Now, if y'all are blind and don't watch the news, it's a hurricane and it's heading right straight for where I am, coming right off the coast. So we getting a lot of rain right now, and y'all know what that means when it's raining. Welding, diff, and rain, put that together, sliding, you know what I'm saying? Slide. I ain't gonna lie, I kinda compare this to like surfers. Like, let's say like you a surfer, you on the beach, and it's like a big ass, you know, them riptides or some whatever them shits is, them hurricanes where they be still going in the water and trying to get a wave and shit. This is equivalent to that. That's why I feel like. I'm sliding so far though. Seatbelt first, man. Y'all make sure y'all be safe out there. Wear your seatbelts. Oh my gosh, it's OD. It's probably hella puddles, bro. I hope the rain sounds ain't loud for y'all. Can y'all see out these foggy windows right now? Woo. Oh my goodness, buddy. Oh my goodness, buddy. Good slides, good slides. 335,600 minutes. I think that's what she's, I don't know. What did I say? 438. That's a coupe. See that big ass puddle? Slow your ass down. It done calm down over here. All I did was cross the bridge, literally. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta get new fans too, bro. My fans is hitting the radiator right now, and like you can hear it spinning on the radiator. That shit sound like a rod knocking or something. That sound ass, bro. You can feel it vibrating your foot on the pedal. That shit weird. Check my tread. I'll be back, man. Had to check if the what's it called was good. The lugs was good on it, bit. They be getting loose sometimes. You know, they hand tighten and shit. I think we about to slide every quarter sack. Different quarter sacks, shall we? Widen it a bit. Oh my goodness, so fucking loose. Damn. Can we get loose right here, y'all think? No, this is a busy ass road. I ain't gonna lie, that's about to be a badass puddle up here. There we go, y'all see that? No. You know what we're about to do? Slow down. Hey yo, get off my ass, G, before I fuck you up, dog. You too close, mud. Somebody said do more drift videos. I got you, twin. We recording right now. I got you with another drift vid right now. Inside the hurricane. We gonna have rain for 3 days. Probably or more than that, but I'm gonna enjoy it while I can though. I bet you I get some sliding out. I tell you that, boy. So what is this nigga talking about, man? I ain't gonna lie, I'm really aiming for quarter sacks right now because I'm scared of the puddles on the road, bro. I'm not sure you seeing this. Damn, I ain't. See, my window is so foggy, I forgot it was a speed bump right here. I don't know if y'all seeing it, but it's hella puddles, like OD. That was a Magnum RT motherfucker. But it's a whole bunch of puddles, bro, and I'm not trying to hydroplane, I ain't gonna lie. And I got welded diff. Damn, it's raining hard this way, see what I'm saying? And it's about to be puddles up here, bro, so I gotta go slow as shit. They were talking about it's supposed to be flash floods and shit. I probably gotta talk louder too. This rain loud as shit, hitting hard. We gotta do a good one. It's a madman, help him! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's a madman! Help him, please! Damn, look at my door. My shit wet. Yeah, I'm on my driving. Duh. I understand, baby. I know I get you wet sometimes. You like being driven like that. Whoa, now. I gotta hold this bit tight. We're gonna blow! Damn. All right, let me chill playing, bro. I'm not looking at potholes. I'm tripping. I ain't gonna lie though, in the next couple weeks, y'all definitely gonna be getting the exhaust vid. I'm ready to put my exhaust on here. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not tired of the stock sound though. I love the stock sound, but it's like, I love the stock sound when I'm sliding and when I'm driving regular, but it's like, it's too quiet. I wanna be heard, but I don't wanna be obnoxious, you know? I just want it for me to like, I really want the exhaust for me. The exhaust I want, not gonna be loud. I'm going catless, so I'm gonna have to get a tune for that. Emissions, because I'm ready to start building it for real, for real. I'm ready to get my turbo in the next few months, the turbo kit, and just build my own kit, you know what I'm saying? I'm ready to just do all that so I can just have this car right for the summer. And after I get this car right, if we still got the G35X sitting, then I'll work on that. I'm probably finna get that working too, because I don't want to just sit in there and then the sunroof leaking, and it's probably, that inside probably wet as ever right now, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It leaked, like in the G, it leaks down here and down there. So like, that's a common thing with the G, and I still haven't fixed it, and I've been knew about it for months. I just put like a garbage bag over the top of the car and just close the door. But I stopped caring about it when I got this. So, but it just had hella problems and was just overheating. So I went and got this car. As soon as it started overheating and having that problems, bro, like a week or two later, no, I think like a month later, 2 or 3 weeks, whenever it was, a short period later, I got this car. So I stopped worrying about that car. Hey, this is a tip. It's common sense, but it's kind of not. If y'all getting lower, this is just advice. If you don't know if it's a pothole in front of you, watch the car in front of you dip, and if it dip, dodge. Oh God, just like that. If the car in front of you dip, nigga, you dodge. You know what I'm saying? You go to the left or wherever the speed bump is, but you dodge that. You know what I'm saying? Always watch the car in front of you when you don't know it's this pothole or something that seeps into the ground and can take you out, because the nigga in front of you go take it first. No homo. It's a hurricane coming, raining hard, and niggas still at the gym. I was looking at hydraulic handbrakes and autos too. It's not many people doing it, but I want to just do it for the time being. I ain't gonna lie. People probably gonna look like, what the fuck? But it's like, it's my car, bro. I don't care. I ain't gonna lie, my heart don't even drop no more when I'm stuck. Oh, damn. That motherfucker shut me up. I damn near thought my bumper just flew off. Hey, y'all, so remember when I said I thought it was my bumper that I took out? It was, and it scratched my badge up, but it was. Bitch flew. That's crazy. You gotta fold it. It has to fit. Nah, we gonna put it out the window. That's what we gonna do. Work smarter, not harder, guys. All right, there we go, y'all. Now that bitch in there. Oh shit, I was finna sit on my bag. Hey man, this is gonna be the end of the video, man. I love y'all. Y'all stay safe out there. It's me, your guy Sxundo. Stay on y'all P's and Q's, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, favorite, do everything y'all do, man. Share it by y'all notes on the post notifications. So y'all know every time I post, man. Again, I love y'all. And I'll see y'all in this video, man. No cap.
Lay up with a vibe and night off. Spend the night and I'm fucking the lights off. Spray the drums out your car like some lights off.